Welcome to the Big Business Blueprint video course. We designed this course for entrepreneurs and business owners who've started their business and are looking to grow their business exponentially within the next 12 months. The course is separated into 7 different modules, with each part covering a specific area of your business. Each module represents a pillar, and mastery of each pillar would help you in strengthening your business foundation. In this first module, we'll cover the first core fundamental, which is your mindset. This is core because all of your actions originate from your thoughts, so it makes perfect sense that if you want to change your results, you must first change your mindset. Why is it that in this world there are rich people and poor people? Have you ever wondered what makes the difference between these two groups of people? What makes them get the results they want in their life? Is it their rich background? I don't think so. I've known people who come from rich families but squandered their family riches over petty squabbles and lavish lifestyles. They end up being rich on paper, but they're neck high in debt. On the other end of the spectrum, I also know millionaires who come from simple, average backgrounds. When they first started, they've had all the reasons to fail and not make it, yet against all odds, they held their ground and now enjoy the riches of their hard work. So if background is not the factor, or resources, what is the deciding factor that will ultimately decide if you will be rich or if your business succeeds? The answer lies between your ears, and that is your mindset. We are the product of what we think. Where we are today is the result of all the decisions we made and did not make. The quality of life that you're enjoying or not enjoying is a result of your thoughts. Success is a choice, and all choices stem from your thoughts. It's an internal game, if you will. 90% of success in business comes from having the right mindset. When you win the internal game, you make better decisions, which ultimately leads to building a 7-figure business and beyond. There is nothing either good or bad. Only thinking makes it so. William Shakespeare. This quote means the way you see things determines if what happens to you adds or subtracts value. Is it your thinking that differentiates a mistake and a lesson? Yes. Therefore, if you want to change the fruit, you must first change the roots. If you want to change the visible, you must first change the invisible. Same goes for business. If you want to take your business to the next level, you must first change your mindset. There are 5 mindsets which, when practiced, form the basis for a 7-figure mindset.